This is so bad, my friend. So I posted this on Instagram a few weeks ago, and I was shocked at the comments. So shocked, in fact, that I decided to do an entire YouTube video about it. So that's what we're doing here today. Let's talk about this. Let's go. So I posted several weeks ago on Instagram about how to have more free time in nursing school, how to have a life. I've been talking a lot about this on Instagram, and the comments are, to me, I was just floored. They're so insane to me. Students saying that they can't do it. It's not possible. Of course, Christina, you have to study for 24 hours a day in nursing school. Don't you know the rules? And I was like, what? Okay. Here's the thing, my friend. There are no nursing school police, okay? Like, if you want to have a life in nursing school, you can figure out a way to have a life in nursing school. Here's the thing. Here's really the thing that we need to talk about. If you continue to tell yourself that you can't do it, it's too hard, it's impossible, my Christina, don't you know that no one passes nursing school? If we keep telling ourselves these stories, telling ourselves these things, what do you think is going to happen? Are you going to study for your exams if you think that it's impossible? Of course not. Are you going to put in the work and be as productive as you need to be and as efficient as you need to be? Of course not. That's not how it works. If you are telling yourself that you can't do it, then that creates a feeling inside of you of what? Like confusion, burned out, overwhelmed, anxious, stressed. And from that place, from that feeling, you will not take action. That is just how it works. These comments on Instagram to me were so enlightening. And to be honest, I was just partially devastated for so many students out there who seem to truly believe that they cannot do this. And that to me is that is so bad. That is the worst. Like, you have to believe that you can pass nursing school because I believe in you. You can do it. And I do not want you telling yourself that you can't, because that does not help you. So we need to talk about how you can have a life in nursing school without sacrificing your grades. You can go to nursing school without losing your sanity. You can still see your family. You can still see your friends. Okay? We don't need to get stuck in this cycle of telling ourselves that it's impossible, that we can't do it, that no one passes this exam or this course, because none of those thoughts are true. You can absolutely pass nursing school and you can have a life while doing it. Okay, so what does this actually look like in practice? Like I said, friend, it's not like there's nursing school police out there in the world who will knock on your door if you decide to take a day off in nursing school. They're not going to come to your door and say, knock, knock, knock. Don't you know the rules that you can't have any free time in nursing school? No, nursing school police do not exist. So yes, you can take a break if you want to. And here is how. I'm going to give you some strategies to help you make this happen for yourself. How to have a life in nursing school while still passing your exams, because friend, it is totally possible. So the first thing that you want to keep in mind is make sure that you are planning your time well. Now, I know it sounds cliche and everyone talks about it and your instructors have probably all told you, make sure you plan your time, Here's the thing. This is so key, because you will not realize how much free time you have until you write it all down. I am telling you the honest truth. If you right now are just going through life, not making a plan for your time, what you're gonna do, when you're gonna do it, I am 100% positive that you are wasting time that you didn't even know about, okay? Because here's what happens. When you start planning out your time, here's the 2 hours that I'm gonna study. Here are the hours that I'll be in lecture class. Here's when I'll wake up. Here's when I'm gonna go to bed. Here's when I'm gonna eat. All of these things. When you start planning your time, you will notice that you have several pockets of time between activities or, just throughout your day that you didn't even know were there. And right now, when we're not tracking those things, if you're not writing it out on a schedule, or when you're not, actually tracking your time, it gets wasted. We kind of spin in our minds. We create so much brain drama for ourselves. We're constantly wondering, oh, will I have enough time to study? What if I don't get this done in time? What else do I have to do? Do I have to do this? Oh, wait, I forgot about this and all that. All of that drama. We bring all of that drama into our day. That does not need to happen. When you make a plan and write out what you're gonna do during a day, my friend, even if it's just a to-do list of things you need to get done, write it out, everything you need to do that day, and then start working at it. Okay, just boom, 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 get it done. Do you have lecture class? Great. Do you have clinical? Great. After clinical, write your care plans. After lecture class, study the things that you learned about in lecture. Like boom, 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 friend, let's get it done. This way, you will not waste as much time during the day spinning out in your mind thinking, I don't know if I have time for this. I don't know what to do. We do this all the time, right? Like our lead nurse, Nicole, if you're a NursingSOS member, you know who Nicole is. We have our live videos every Monday night, and we constantly talk about this with our members. Like Nicole and I, our thing is standing in the kitchen, right? Just staring. Like, I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing right now. Isn't that just the truth, friend? Like, we do this to ourselves all the time, where you're just like wandering around your house, or you find yourself like baking something, right? Like I used to bake cookies when I'm stressed and anxious. It's what we do. We kind of spin out in our mind and we create so much drama. We don't focus on the things that we are actually supposed to be doing, right? So make your to-do list, write out your schedule, and get it done. You will find those pockets of time when you are taking action and getting things done. You will find so many pockets of time that you did not know you had, okay? And in those pockets of time, here's the beautiful thing. You get to decide what to do with those. Okay, they don't have to be all filled with studying or all filled with nursing school related stuff. No, you could take a nap if you wanted to in the half hour between lecture and when you want to study, right? You get to decide, and that is the fabulous thing about this. Now, if you want to, of course, you can continue to take action with nursing school stuff throughout the day and then batch together, bulk together, I don't know what the word is, your kind of free time, those pockets of time, and save them up for maybe taking a significant period of time off, like let's say 4 hours on a Tuesday morning or something, if you had gotten all your studying in the day before. You see what I'm saying? So if you get a bunch of stuff done, then you can kind of take a little more time off, maybe the next day. But you're not going to realize that you can actually make that happen until you start planning your time and writing it down. So that is a huge strategy. Like I said, I know it sounds cliche, and I know everyone has told you to do it, and you're probably not doing it because I knew that I was not doing it, so my hand is raised. If that is you, please, 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 just try it, okay? Just try it. Hear me out, all right? Do me a favor, just try it, all right? And tell me how it works for you, all right? DM me on Instagram, let me know how it goes, all right? Deal? Deal. Now, the other major thing that nursing students really get caught up in, and I did too when I started nursing school, was not focusing on the right things. This kind of goes back to making a schedule and like kind of planning your day, but you need to make sure that you are focused on studying the right things and the things that actually matter. So in nursing school, your instructors and your textbook and everyone is going to tell you that you have to do all of these things. You're gonna hear it out in the world everywhere. You have to read the entire textbook. You have to know every single thing about every single thing in order to pass your exams. Like, how often have you heard this, right? Not the case. Okay, that is a complete nursing school lie. All right, I am here to call the world out on it. All right, that is not possible. In order to pass your exams in nursing school and in order to have a life in the process, you must make sure that you are constantly focusing on the key things that you need to study, the things that matter. When you are trying to read the entire textbook, if you are trying to memorize everything about everything about everything, here's what's happening. You will spend so much time consuming information and not enough time actually thinking about it and applying it. And friend, when was the last time your nursing exam tested you on how much information you memorized? Never. They don't do that. Nursing school is all about how well you critically think, how well you apply the information, case scenario questions, can you answer this patient scenario, like what's going on with this patient, XYZ, all that stuff. They are going to test you on how well you apply it, on your critical thinking, right? Not about how well you memorize stuff. So it does not matter how many pages you read in a textbook. What matters is how you then take that information and apply it. Okay, you have to focus on studying the right thing. So if you're a NursingSOS member, which I know so many of you are, this is a beautiful thing because you, as you know, you just log into the community, okay, and we will walk you through step by step everything that you need to know for your exams. It is so stinking fantastic. You do not need to get caught up in, like I said, the brain drama of trying to figure out, I don't know what to study, I don't know what's important, all this stuff, right? Don't need to get caught up in that. We walk you through it, everything, step by step. Everything you need to know for your nursing school exam. So just log into your dashboard, find the videos, pull up the videos that correlate to what you were learning about in class. Start there, okay? We've got the study guides there for you. Just scroll down, download the study guides as well, watch the videos, and we're gonna help you. Those are the things that you will want to study because we've condensed all the information down for you into the must-know information for you, okay? And if you are not a NursingSOS member, like what in the world are you even doing with your life? Okay, I know that's dramatic, but the point still stands. Make sure you join, friend. I am here to help you pass nursing school, and you are going to absolutely love it. You are going to love the community because, like I said, we walk you through everything you have to know to pass your exams in nursing school. It is completely game-changing. This is how you have more free time. You have to focus on studying the right things, studying the things that matter, okay? Do not get caught up in that kind of brain drama, all the things that we tell ourselves in our minds, like it's not possible, we can't do it, there's too much to learn, and then you get confused and overwhelmed and anxious. Like, stop, enough, right? That is not helpful, okay? We have to come up with a plan and we have to stick with the plan and follow the plan. And that is exactly what we teach you how to do inside the NursingSOS membership community. Now I want you to check out this video we posted a couple weeks ago. It's all about debunking the most common nursing school lies. You cannot fall for these lies, okay, if you want to be successful in nursing school and still have a life, okay? So go watch that video right now. I will see you over there and go become the nurse that God created only you to be. Take care, my friend. Bye-bye.